Once you log in, this would be the dashboard. Scroll up, then click on Rizz Followup. Now this would be your Rizz Followup email dashboard. You can track all the information such as active campaigns, emails sent, open rates, replies, and bounces all in one place. Then click this to expand the side panel. The first step is to add an email. So click on email account. This will give you two options, whether you want to connect your personal Gmail account or your business domain email account, which is great for freelancers. You can click on Gmail account and connect your personal account. Click continue and move on. Once it is connected, it will show up live. You can also edit your name as per your wish and save it. Once it's done, go back and click on ready-made sequence. Now this will show you all the inbuilt sequences for job applications, internships, referral requests, client projects for freelancers, and many more. Select as per your requirements. Now I want to clone the job application sequence, and now you can add your emails or any details you want, so check your default emails. These are all the sequences that will be added for you. Now you can edit anything you want. Don't remove these placeholders as they will automatically fetch the data from your contact list, or it totally depends on how you want to do it. You can change the email templates as per your need and then upload your resume. Then scroll down and you can pick the day when you want your next email to go. Ideally, add at least 2 days, but I'm just adding 1 day to show you. You can scroll down and adjust the days and emails as per your need. You can also add your LinkedIn profile, portfolio, or projects and add links. I'm just adding them randomly to show you, but you can add your desired details. Then click save and next. Now it's time to add the details of the recipients to whom you want to send emails. You can upload a CSV or Excel file, and you can also add a Google Sheet as well. You can also add the details manually in each field. Since I already have a list of HR recruiters, I simply click on share to change the access from restricted to anyone with the link. Then copy the link and paste it here. Now you can see the data is already added. Then click the checkbox and add it to the campaign. Scroll down to see the preview. Now click next and check setup. Add your daily sending limit. If you're just starting, I would recommend keeping it as low as possible and gradually increasing the limit. Scroll down and pick the time as per your understanding. Ideally, keep it between 9 to 6 or change it as per your convenience. Scroll down and add your email signature. Save it as default or just for this campaign. It's completely up to you. I will save it as default. The personal link is optional. Then click on sender identity, fill in the details for compliance reasons. At least add your name and save it. Now you can click on start sequence. Then check all the details, click on all the checkboxes and start the sequence. Now you can see the status is showing running. Now go back to the dashboard, click on active campaigns, and all the campaigns that are running will show up here. Now click open. This will give you full details. You can track the sequence starting from the intro email. Then it will automatically move to the next stage. Then you will see the last stage, which is completion. It will automatically follow up until the last step. If and when someone responds to your email, immediately come back and pause the sequence and also mark it as replied, so it doesn't send the email again. Then you can start talking to them directly without the sequence. You can pause and mark replies based on the recipient who responds to you. Otherwise, keep the sequence running. Now let's go back to the side panel. You can explore all the options and you can see your contact list and also templates for job applications, referrals, and more. You can also add your own templates as well. Go back to the dashboard. At the bottom of the side panel, you will see how to find HR recruiters and company emails. There will be a step-by-step guide along with free options. Now let's go back to the homepage. Scroll down and you will see the option to create one-time emails where you can send one email to all the recipients in bulk. Additionally, you can create your own sequence from scratch if you don't wish to use the inbuilt sequences. I hope this video is useful and thanks for watching.